Well, I've been playing with these little string LEDs. Uh, One end is positive and one is negative, and you can use a button battery like this one here, and then so you can test for which one is the plus and which one is minus. So in this case, as you can see, I guessed it for the first time correctly. So this is plus, and then the other end, of course, is there for minus. Okay, so that's how simple it is to find out. They start at 3 volts. It lights up at 3 volts. I'm feeding it up with a 18650 battery at 3.7 volts, and it's, as you can see, it's pretty darn bright. Uh, I put a little lid on it because it's full of electronics, and I don't want uh, I don't want anybody to put their finger in or anything because it's not really meant to be practical on the inside. But it looks pretty nice. And then the way I wired it, and here's a switch, is I drilled a bunch of holes. And when I designed this cup, I put a grooves in there, so these sits in a groove 1.7 millimeter. That's what how wide these are. These string LEDs. Anyway, this is how it looks without the lights on. So again, if you're interested in making it, it's pretty simple. Um, I'm using again 18650 battery. So I'm feeding it a little bit more than 3 volts, 3.7 volts to be exact. But you just connect all the pluses and all the minuses together. They do not daisy chain, by the way. You cannot hook up one and the other end hook up another one into a parallel. I'm sorry, in the series, you have to use a parallel. So all the pluses connects to one wire, and all the minuses connects to the other wire, and it looks awesome. And if you want me to upload, if you don't have a 3D program, I'll be more than glad to upload again to the internet the cup and the lid, so you can print it yourself if you have a 3D printer. Again, you have a fantastic day. Give me thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next video.